Welcome to the StyleCloud YouTube channel. I'm Melissa, one of the founders, and you'll hear my voice in many of our videos. Our channel is packed with tutorials and web design tips for photographers and other creative business owners, so don't forget to hit subscribe to hear all about our new videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily control the preview link that is shown when you share your website on social media. So if you don't do any of this, what will tend to happen is it will pick up the first image on your homepage, or maybe which is often your logo, and just any snippets of text that it can find. So instead, what we're going to do is control that using an SEO plugin. So I'm going to be doing this demonstration with Yoast, but you can easily use all-in-one SEO or an SEO plugin of your choice. So if you've got the pro version of Yoast, you can go to the overall settings section and set a general featured image or site image representation that will override everything on your site or be applied to every single page you share. But if you don't have the pro version, it's not a problem, because on your key pages and especially your homepage, you can go down to the bottom here and click onto the social tab. So I'm here in the Yoast settings. I'm going to select just any image for the purposes of this. And that can be, and the reason you do this is because it can be different than to your featured image. You might want it to be something that's a little bit more appealing. It might have some text on it. You can set the social title and the description as well. So once you've got that how you want it, you can go to save. And it might take some time for these changes to show in Facebook. So what you can actually do, let's just grab the link here, is go and grab my link and head over to this. It's developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. I'll put this in the notes. You pop your link in there, and it's telling me it hasn't been shared on Facebook before, so it might need updating, it might need fetching, and sometimes you have to click a few times to get this to work. But once it has been updated, the next time you share it on Facebook, it will have changed. Remember to do this for all of your key pages that you're ever going to share, and you should do it for your blog posts as well.